Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video, and today we're going to take a look at the Mortal Kombat 11 Collector's Edition. Now you can pick this up from GameStop on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price on this one, $300. Now every time I do these videos, I get asked the same question, so let me go ahead and answer that first. Why would you buy the Collector's Edition for $300 instead of buying the regular disc for $65? And the answer is real simple. If you're into collectibles, then you're going to like this. If you're not interested in collectibles, save your money and buy the regular disc. Now, me personally, I only play a handful of video games, and Mortal Kombat happens to be one of them. So whenever they drop a new version, I get the Collector's Edition. Not to mention, if you got a dope man cave or a nice gaming room, this is going to look hot in your setup. All right, so let's unbox this and see what you get inside. All right, so this is what it's going to look like when you take it out of the box. On the front, you got Mortal Kombat 11 Collector's Edition. Now I went with the PS4 version. On one side, you got the big MK11. On the other side, you got the dragon. And on the top, you got another dragon. Now here's what you get inside the box. You get the Mortal Kombat 11 Premium Edition. You get the exclusive steel case and magnet. You get the Scorpion mask and the collector's box. All right, so let's open it up. All right, so here's everything unpacked. You get your Mortal Kombat 11 Certificate of Authenticity, individually numbered, and this is actually made out of metal. You get all your codes. All right, so you got the Combat Pack, you got Shao Kahn, and you got the Scorpion Gold Skin. You get the Mortal Kombat 11 Premium Edition. This is the actual disc. And you get the steel case. Now, inside of the steel case, that's where you're going to store your disc. And you also got a gold dragon with magnets on the back. How sick is this? But the best thing about the Collector's Edition is this giant scorpion head. Now look at this. It's kind of made out of this neoprene material. Look how beautiful that is. It comes on a stand with the dragon. You got 4 rubber stoppers on the bottom. But look at the front. Look how sick this is. Now, you can't put this on, but if you feel inside, it's completely hollow. You can stash some stuff in there if you want. But how dope is this going to look in your gaming room, on your desktop setup, and in your man cave? Get over here. This is so sick. So that's pretty much it. Mortal Kombat 11 Collector's Edition on a scale of 1 to 10. This is a major, major, major go. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early, #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock 1 to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're going to buy some of that technology, you got to understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. the beach by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, the Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.